Once you enter the plan editor, you will see a clean and structured interface divided into three tabs: General Info, Feature Configuration, and Plan Settings. Now let's go through each section step by step. We'll start with the General Info tab. In the Basic Information section, first give your plan a name. I have already given it once, so it's already there. However, you can change the name later from here at any time. Next, add a short description explaining what's included. For example, add listing pricing plan 50 regular plus 10 featured. You will also notice that directory type and plan type are already selected from the setup step, which is why these options are now locked. Now scroll down to the listing limits section. Here set total listings allowed, for example 50, and featured listing allowed, for example 10. Both options also include an enable unlimited listing toggle to allow unlimited entries, but we'll skip that for now. In pricing configuration, you can choose between a free plan or a paid plan. For this example, I'll select paid plan and enter a price, let's say $19.99. If needed, you can also add tax by adding the tax option. Once enabled, it will reveal two additional fields: tax amount and tax format. In tax format, you can choose whether the tax will be applied as a percentage or a fixed amount depending on your pricing setup. Next, move to duration and subscription settings. Here you can choose between lifetime or fixed duration. I'll select fixed duration and set it to 1 year, then enable subscription to allow recurring billing. If needed, you can also enable a free trial, which is a new feature in this version, and set its duration from days to years. For this example, I'll set a 3-day trial period for this package. Now on the right hand side, you will find the plan status panel. Toggle publish on to make the plan live. Keep hide from all plans off so user can see it. You can also enable mark as recommended later if you want to highlight this plan. Just below that, you will find developer snippets, which automatically generate shortcodes and PHP snippets for this specific plan. You will also see the app configuration section where you can connect your App Store or Play Store product IDs along with their pricing. For now, we'll skip this part. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes. Now switch to the Featured Configuration tab. This is where you decide exactly what features are included in the plan. You can enable or disable features such as maps, videos, contact, reviews, categories, images, social links, locations, and more. You can also set limits, for example, how many images or categories a listing can include. Features can be easily reordered using drag and drop, and you can also choose which feature should appear in the public pricing table. This helps keep your pricing comparison clean, structured, and easy for user to understand. After making your changes, click Save Changes. Now go to the Plan Setting tab. This is where you define how the plan behaves on your side. You can enable expiry fallback, which automatically moves user to another plan when their current plan expires. To set this up, choose a replacement plan from the Select Fallback Plan dropdown. Next, configure the plan displaying order to decide where this plan appears in your pricing table. Lower number place the plan higher in the list. Then listing display priority controls how prominently the listings under this plan appear in search and archive result. Again, lower values give higher priority. Let's say you have 3 plans called Free, Basic, Pro, and you set the listing display priority for them to 3, 2, and 1. So on the listings archive page, listings from the Pro plan will appear first, then those from the Basic plan, and finally those from the Free plan. After making your adjustment, click Save Changes to apply everything.